Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, we have a chest exercise guaranteed to make your chest look bigger, thicker, and fuller. We're gonna go over the setup, how to perform this exercise, and then how many sets and reps you should be doing to get the most out of this exercise. So let's fuel your fitness. Now, the exercise that we're going to be doing today is going to be a version of the cable chest fly. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, this is going to be an extremely difficult version of the cable chest fly, but it's going to be well worth it if gains is what you want. Now, when it comes to the setup, it's pretty standard as any cable chest fly. Make sure those handles are at shoulder height and have a staggered stance. Now, when it comes to performing this exercise, what you're going to do is you're going to have one arm out in front of you doing an isometric hold while the other arm is doing the actual fly. After you finish doing the actual fly with one side, you're gonna switch. So the side that was doing the isometric hold is not doing the actual fly, and the arm that was doing the actual fly is not doing the isometric hold. And I can guarantee you, when you're doing this exercise, even though that one arm is not moving, is doing the isometric hold, it's still building up tension and you'll feel it. I can guarantee you. And when both sides have done the isometric hold and the actual fly, we're not done yet. We're gonna have one more thing to do, and that's to have both arms do the fly at the same time. And by this point, I can guarantee you your front delts and your chest will be on fire, but that's okay though. It's all in the name of gains. When you're doing this version of the chest fly, it's absolutely okay to pause in the middle of the set just to regroup, because it is a lot. And as you can see with this video, I'm begging for mercy, but that's what it takes when you're trying to build muscle though. It takes hard work, dedication, and to persevere through the lactic acid and pain. So again, it's absolutely okay to just pause, regroup yourself, and take time to make sure that you're never actually going out of form during this exercise. And a couple ways to know that it's time to pause in the middle of the set is when the arm that's doing the isometric hold can't hold anymore, and the arm that's doing the actual fly can't reach the arm that's doing the isometric hold. And when it comes to sets and reps, I recommend 4 sets, 30 reps each arm, and by that I mean each arm does 15 by itself, where we have one arm doing the actual fly, and then the other arm is doing the isometric hold. And when both sides have done the 15 repetitions by itself and the isometric hold, you come together and do the fly with both arms for another 15 reps. And if you can't do that, or it's too much, that's completely fine. You can lower it. And if you want to also add progressive overload by adding more weight after each set, by all means, go ahead. This exercise is very, very challenging, and I encourage everyone to try a version of it. And let me know in the comments if you're going to try this exercise. If you're getting value out of this video, please subscribe, turn on that bell, leave a comment down below, because here on this channel, we try to empower people at home and nutrition and at the gym with the goal of building muscle. So if you like that, subscribe, and always remember to make mirrors your canvas, waste your paintbrush, sweat your paint, and may your drawing always be beautifully unfinished.